Hey, we are back again at Singapore Mathematics on heuristics. Now, Singapore Mathematics word problems, we deal with them in ways of algebraic thinking, how to do algebra without actually doing algebra. Okay, and today going to look at the before and after question where something didn't change, an unchanged quantity. That means something didn't change. Okay, so let's take a look at this question. Now, there were 60 pupils in the hall. Three-fifths of them were girls. When some girls left the hall, the number of girls became one quarter of the total number of pupils left in the hall. How many girls left the hall? So if we were to look at everything, when three-fifths of them were girls, that means if there's a total of five parts, okay, 5 units altogether, because three over five is a part and whole, right? 3/5, this is the part and this is the whole. Okay, so basically that means that 5 units must be all of the pupils, which means 3 units were girls, which means we can tell that between boys to girls, boys will be 2 units, girls will be 3 units. Now, some girls left the hall, and now the number of girls become one quarter of the total number of pupils left in the hall. That means this is before. Okay, this is happening before. Okay, so something happened after. So that's why we say this is a before and after question. So something happened after. So after that happens, the number of girls is 1/4 of the total number of pupils left in the hall, which means girls is only uh, 1 unit, whereas boys will become 3 units for a total of 4 units, right? We can see here total 5 units. Here the total is 4 units. Now, girls left the hall, but we remember saying that there's something that's unchanged. The number of boys didn't change. Okay, so that is unchanged. So in other words, if we can somehow make the boys here the same, okay, we can make them the same, we will be able to find out actually how many units of girls left. So to do that, well, lowest common multiple, 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, so if I can make this into 6 units, okay, everything will work. And to do that, okay, here I multiply everything by 3, and here I multiply everything by 2. Okay, so this will result in a transformation of 6 units of boys. Okay, let me put it up here so that we can see clearly. Okay, 6 units of boys, 9 units of girls, total units of 12. Oh, sorry, not 12, 15. My apologies. Okay, 15. And whereas over here, 6 units of boys, 2 units of girls, 8 units total. So you can see very clearly, okay, if we take 9 minus 2, okay, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2, you get 7 units. See, 15 minus 8, 7. So from here, we know that some girls left the hall. So we know that 7 units of girls have left the hall. We also know in the end, okay, we have transformed 15 units to be 60 girls. It used to be 5 units. We transform it to 15 units. So from here, we can tell that 15 units is the same as 60. Okay, so 1 unit will be the same as 60. Divide by 15 and giving us 4. Okay, so 1 unit is actually 4 students. And how many units of girls left? 7 units. Okay, so in this case, 7 units, okay, will be 4 times 7 equals to 28. So as a result, we know that 28 girls left the hall. Okay, 28 girls left the hall. Okay, so the same tactic can be used many, many times. We just need to observe what has remained unchanged along the way. Many things. Okay, it can be one of them, it can be the total, it can be the difference that remains unchanged. And from there, we will be able to work out many, many things by simply applying units to certain numbers and just finding out. Okay, so here's Singapore math, Mr. Michael Chan here. Bye bye.